Okay dear,
Like
let me give you overview. In previous class, we complete addition and subtraction of fraction. In this class, we are going to make practice on multiply fraction. Understand? In multiply fraction, the first topic is multiply fraction by whole numbers. Here you check that whole numbers means that just like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, in this case, we take one fraction which is equal to 3 times 3 times
3.
2 over 4. So here you check that we multiply 3 with numerator which is 2. So 3 times 2 divided by 4, denominator remains same. 3 times 2 we get 6 over 4. Actually now one question arises that why we multiply the whole number with numerator instead of denominator. So dear, you know that with each whole number we have one hidden denominator which is called 1. So here you check that this is 1 over 1, 2 over 1, 3 over 1 and so on. But we can't write it. Why we write this one? Because 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 1, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So similarly, if we take in case 3 divided by 1 times 2 over 4, because 3 divided by 1, 3 over 1 is equal to 3. So 3 times 2 we get 6 and 4 times 1 we get 4. Understand?
Yeah.
And second example, here you check that we have 6 times 3 over 2. So first we multiply 6 with 3 by which we get 18 and the denominator remains same. And similarly in this one 8 times 4 over 3. So 8 times 4 we get 32 and
32, yeah.
here you check that 3 is remain same. So you have any question about this?
No.
Can I ask some question according to this pattern? Just like if we have question is 9 times 4 over 5, what is our answer? Can you tell me about this?
Okay. 9 times 4, 9 times 36.
Good, but can you explain your answer how you get 36 over 5?
Because I multiplied 9 times 9 and 4.
Good.
So 9 and 4 I get 36 and the denominator I don't have to do nothing with the denominator. I'm just gonna put the denominator the same.
Good, excellent. So can I write one more question? To the
Yeah.
power in case of 10, if we have 10 times 20 over 9, what is your answer? Because here you check that this is 2 digit. You know 2 digit is to be considered a whole number as well.
There. 200 out of 9.
200 out of 9. Okay, so can you explain your answer?
So I did the same one. I did the same thing on the top.
Good.
So I multiplied 10 times 20, so I got 200, and I put the 9 the same there.
Good, that's perfect. So dear, you have any question about first topic which is about multiply fraction by whole numbers?
No.
Good. So now we make practice on multiply fraction by whole number 2. So this is the same question. For example, if we have 23 times 3 over 6, how we simplify it? So dear, actually let me change denominator 3 over 5. Okay, let me make it difficult. So we use the same rule. We multiply 23 times 3 over 5. The denominator